Hi, welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to hang kayak on garage wall. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Garage storage is always a challenge. You want to make sure you can fit your car in, but also that you have enough space to store all of your stuff. Kayaks are a great item to add to your garage storage solution because they don't take up too much space, and they are really fun to use. If you're wondering how to hang a kayak on the garage wall, here are a few tips for you. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, different methods of hanging. Number 2, recommended products. Number 3, before storing. Number 4, storing tips and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.